I'm just starting out as a developer. After 6 months of studying programming, I finally finished my own bulletin board app.
When you post your name and a message, it instantly appears on the screen. It's a simple message board that anyone can freely write on. On this board, you can customize your post using HTML tags, make your text bigger, change the color. Everyone's trying different ways to make their posts stand out. Traffic is slowly increasing, and I started thinking, maybe this could actually go viral. A hacker appears. His site isn't getting traffic. He finds a message board. Open posts. HTML allowed. Maybe I can steal their visitors. He smirks.
Let's hack.
Let's try a basic redirect using script tags. But nothing happens? Browsers ignore script tags inserted via inner HTML. This is by DZUG for security. All right, let's try something else. Now let's use an image with a broken source and sneak the redirect into the onError attribute. The image fails to load. The onError event fires, and just like that, the redirect works. Now every visitor becomes traffic for me. That's all for today. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe.